Hi everyone, welcome to StunnerShare. So today it's a small surprise for everyone. What is a surprise? So today there is a comment also where I can get this PIVOTBOSS indicator. So I was just thinking, like, a lot of people were asking me like where I can find the PIVOTBOSS indicator, and a lot of questions were asked based only for the indicator. So what I decided is that okay, let me check any good indicators available for PIVOTBOSS, because I used to say that whatever the PIVOTBOSS indicator which I'm using, it is not available for public. I'm not sure why is that. The user might have removed it. So I was like thinking like, okay, let me check any other good PIVOTBOSS indicator is available and we will try to make use of it. And what I see is that if you go into TradingView, go into indicators and type in PIVOTBOSS. Okay, I just typed in PIVOTBOSS. There are a lot of indicators which are available. Okay, there are a lot of indicators which are available. Then I decided that maybe people can make use of it. So let me go to the higher number of ratings there. Okay, 18115 is the highest number of ratings. So let me go into that. So if I go into this PIVOTBOSS indicator, if I go into settings, I can see that we can move into like monthly time frame or whatever time frame, and you wanted to display labels or not, and you wanted to show high level, low levels or not, display developing midpoint you wanted to show or not, and all these are there. So let me plot all those and let me plot this one. So I'm using pivots, pivot ranges, pivot support levels, resistance levels, and Camarilla levels. And after that, if I go into styles, and there are a lot other options which are available here. So one can make use of it. Okay, one can make use of it. You can customize the lines where whatever color you wanted to give, you can give. So one can make use of this, and they can easily plot or check what's happening with this indicator. But what I also feel is that people are very much fond of the PIVOTBOSS indicator which I am using because of the wick reversal setup indication which is given. Not only wick reversal setup indication, there are a lot of other reversal setup indications are there. So people are like very much interested to know what is that indicator. Then I was like researching a lot more, and what I could see is that when I type in PIVOTBOSS again, okay, these are favorites, forget about the favorites. When I type in like the PIVOTBOSS again, I could see PIVOTBOSS wick reversal setup, PIVOTBOSS extreme reversal setup, PIVOTBOSS outside reversal setup, PIVOTBOSS doji reversal setup. So this means that for each and every reversal setup what is discussed in Secret of PIVOTBOSS book, that is being written as an indicator and people have uploaded in the TradingView. So what I would tell you is that rather than commenting and asking like what is the indicator, where is the indicator, where I can find this indicator, just go into TradingView, go into indicators, type PIVOTBOSS. There are a lot of indicators which you can make use of it. And if you wanted to use wick reversal setup, I'm just clicking on it and see wick reversal setups is getting plotted. Nothing else. And they have just used a formula how to calculate the wick reversal setup, and they have just used it, and this is the formula, and this is what they have the wick reversal setup. So you can make use of this as well. And some people, those who are like still more wanted to, I don't want like wick reversal, I want extreme reversal setup. You still have, you have outside reversal setup, you have doji reversal setup. So all these lines, whatever you want, you can make use of it. But what is a surprising factor which I wanted to say, where a small disappointment is also there, is that what indicator which I'm using, the PIVOTBOSS indicator which I'm using, all these days it was not available for public, or maybe I would not have checked properly, but now I could see that indicator for public. So this indicator is there now, daily, weekly, monthly, CPR plus Camarilla plus value area by Soumya. This is the indicator which I am using. So when I click on it, it's opening, clear. And but the small disappointment factor is that in this particular indicator, they have removed wick reversal setup, extreme reversal setup, all the reversal setup candlestick patterns has been removed. So now let me go to settings. If you could see the indicator which I'm using and the indicator which is here, small changes are also there in the visualization. Okay, if I go to monthly time frame, I'll remove these CPRs and I'll select these monthly, and then from when it starts with M right here, this is where monthly pivot starts. So monthly pivots, BC, monthly TC, R1, S1, so R2, S2, R3, S3 we don't need, R4, S4 we don't need, MH5, MH4, MH3 are Camarilla layers, and these are the value areas, and these are the point of control volume zones. And if you see at the bottom, there is no wick reversal setup, there is no nothing. So what one can do is that they can make use of the pivot boss indicator by Soumya, whatever is there, and then they can also add the wick reversal setup indicator, which is in the basic free version. This is not a paid version, and they can add 2 indicators and you can make use of it as well. See, it is giving buy sell signal as well as we are able to plot the indicators. See, and one more thing, you can customize it. You can customize it in the sense it's not that you have to have it only in dots. You can have it in lines also. You can do lot of changes here as well. So let me do that as well. So go over here, assume that, let me do it for pivots first, pivot ranges. So I can make it to lines. Okay, so if I make it to lines, if you see, the lines has come, and you can remove the dots and you can make it to lines or whatever you wanted to do, you can do. And still more things are available for public. You can make use of it. See, it is not that you have to only use the pivot boss by Soumya or whatever she has created, and there are other pivot boss indicators also which are available for public. So make use of it. So, and ensure that you add it to your favorites so that you can make use of it, because anytime the owner of the indicator can restrict the access, and in that case you will not be able to use it. So so ensure that you are not taking it light. Add it to the favorites and make use of it. So this is what I wanted to tell here. And there are few mails which came to me asking like, is secret of pivot boss book indicator, or like okay, is CPR is available in Zerodha or Upstocks or in FYERS? And also there are few questions like, is Camarilla is available in CPR or Camarilla, or is Camarilla is available in Zerodha or Upstocks or FYERS? So that question was raised. Or the question which was asked on whether the CPR pivots indicators available in any trading platform. So I will tell you one thing here. So secret of pivot boss indicator, or like CPR indicator, or the Camarilla indicator, all those are not available in Zerodha or in Upstocks. I'm not sure of Upstocks. In Zerodha we have CPR. Okay, central pivot range separate indicator is there in Zerodha, and also you have pivots, normal standard pivots is there in Zerodha. But Camarilla pivots is not there in Zerodha. Camarilla pivots is available in FYERS, and also CPR is also available in FYERS. Let me show you. Go into indicators, type central pivot range not there, CPR with pivot levels. So if you click on that, it will give you all the CPR with CPR pivots. Okay, see R1, daily pivot, BCTC, S1, S2, all these are here. So you can make use of this. And also one disadvantage is that only daily is there. So that means that you can use it for intraday time frame. You cannot use it for hourly time frame and weekly pivots. Clear? And in the case of Camarilla, you have pivots. You can just search with pivots. See, pivots standard is there, right? Once you click on standard, this will come, and in that go to settings and change the inputs to Camarilla. There are traditional pivots, Fibonacci, Woody, Classic, DMAR. If you are using traditional pivots, that means CPR with floor pivots. Fibonacci means based on Fibonacci ratios, the pivots will come. And Woody Classic, I am not aware of what is that. And then Camarilla pivots is what we are seeing now. So this is what I wanted to share. So if anyone is interested in like say for example, if anyone is interested in opening FYERS account, like I wanted to open FYERS account because I have CPR as well, Camarilla as well is there. So I wanted to access or use the FYERS demat account. Please let me know so that I'll be sharing the FYERS referral link to you. So with the help of FYERS referral link, kindly open the demat account. So it will be helpful for me as well. Okay, so this is what I want to share in this video. I think I have covered some surprise, small disappointment, and then a huge surprise on the trading platform which I have given to you. So kindly make use of it, and do let me know in the comment section if you are really surprised seeing this video. And also, you like the video or you comment the video, it's up to you guys, but at least share this video to your friends and family, so that many people are still searching for this indicator and they are a bit upset. But my point here is, go to the indicators, just to search pivots, you will get hell lot of indicators now, and maybe a version which is advanced than what I am using also can be available. So try to explore that and you will be able to find it out. So okay, nothing else. Thank you, thanks a lot. Stay tuned for more videos.